Welcome to Spitzer Motors, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with roof rack, Sirius XM satellite radio, heated door mirrors, parking sensors, rear view camera, heated front seats, keyless entry, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, and much more. Here at family-owned Spitzer Motors, customer service is our top priority. Our friendly and experienced staff will make sure you get that hometown feeling when you shop with us. Let us prove to you why so many people trust us when it comes to buying their next vehicle. Spitzer Motors, saving you more since 1904.